Let's take those off. Okay, bring your arms up. Hands on top of mine. Good. Lean back. Elbows tighter, 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 tighter. Good. Okay. One hand over each shoulder for me. Good, good. Okay. Turn all the way that way.
Oh, yes. Oh my gosh, that felt so good.
There we go.
Just take a breath through your nose. Just like that.
Oh my God.
Yes, ma'am. And you should have felt that from your skull all the way down to your pelvis.
That's what I've needed my whole life.
Yeah. Most people instinctively know that's what they need. Very nice. Table raises and lowers too for the doctor's height. Look at that. Yes, ma'am. Welcome to getting it. Pretty cool. Okay, you want to keep your teeth together, Mindy. Don't bite your tongue. Breathe through your nose. There you go. That was perfect.
Gosh, that felt so
You
good.
should have felt that go all the way down, did you? Good.
Yes.
Great. That's what we call a home run ring dinger. Let me have your head here. Boy, oh boy. You're going to be smiling all the way home. That was perfect. Good job relaxing on your first adjustment.
Towards me some, and I'm gonna put my hand here. I'm actually gonna have you slide down just a little bit. There you go. So I'm gonna get right in here. I'm gonna have you roll back over my hand. Now breathe in, head straight up. Good, all the way out. Good. Perfect.
Oh, feels good.
That was good, right?
Oh yeah.
Let's go down a little bit more. Go ahead in and out again. For the pregnant women with SI joint pain, low back and hip pain, keep that relaxed. Ooh, that was good. That relaxed there. Good. That was a little bit tighter. Keep that nice and relaxed. A little movement there already. Good. One more. Good. Keep that nice and relaxed. There's some. Good. Nice and relaxed. Okay, let's see how this side feels. Right there.
Big one.
एकदम रिलैक्स रहेगा हमने का एकदम रिलैक्स सामने ना जो हमने ऊपर को सारे રીતે જો
Okay now?
नेक के पीछे हाथ रखेंगे मेरे हाथ पे हाथ एक मिनट जस्ट वेट लंबा सांस लेंगे
Up here. Okay, first adjustment ever. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. One more time, deep breath in and out. Good. And to the other side. There we go. Good. Okay. Go face down again for me, please. Perfect, right there. And there we go. Just like that. There it was. Flip to the other side for me. Okay, yep, we're gonna bend that top leg. Scoot a little bit towards me. Perfect. Okay. There it was. For mine. Yep. Good. So I'm gonna lean you back. I gotcha. Squeeze your elbows together. Good. Tighter, tighter. There it was. And take it. Deep breath in and out. And relax. Relax, relax. We're gonna laterally flex. Rotate. Okay. Relax. There it was. Deep breath in and out. Look to the side again.
Damn. Whoa.
Take a deep breath in and out. One more time, deep breath in and out.
Oh.
I'm gonna rotate you like this, good.
Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Mercy. Woo.
And going to the right.
Oh. Oh.
Lift up. And down. So at the Y strap, you'll feel decompression from up top going down the spine.
Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, yo. Yo. He's the truth. Oh.
Right up.